This is just a quick video. I'm rebuilding the left wheel fork because it was listing terribly to one side, causing some steering issues. Now I put these casters underneath and a sort of a steering deck. That way when the wheel rotates, the casters roll along the deck, giving a nice smooth action. Unfortunately, I only have one more of these casters, so I don't know what I'm going to do about the other wheel, but it wasn't causing as many problems as this one. So I will be putting this on tomorrow and working on some of the calibration of the sway bar and the knuckles. That way it steers properly. And I will be then cladding the cockpit with wood to make it look all nice and fancy and less full of PVC. So, until next time, bye-bye.